grilled pineapple pepper relish. And the relish takes baked cheese to another level. I'm gonna put this onto the grill pan, and it's basically gonna be like a grilled pineapple relish. And I have some other veggies to go on the grilled pan too. So I took red bell peppers and just cut them into big slabs. Basically just cut them off the sides. Poblano peppers and jalapenos. I took out most of the seeds because you guys are wimps. You don't like spicy food. No, I'm just kidding. You can leave the seeds and membranes if your guests can handle the heat. All right, so I'm gonna get the veggies onto the grill pan with the pineapples. And this is gonna be such a pretty relish, just like bright yellow and green and red. And it's gonna look gorgeous on the pork. I love poblano chilies. They're so flavorful and wonderful. You can mix all these up. You don't have to follow any pattern. Just get them on the pan. There we go. I'm impatient. Okay, I'm gonna babysit the pineapple and the veggies until they're nice and grilled, and then we'll move forward with this dish and pull it all together. So I have these chopped veggies, the pineapple. Oh, this is so good. You can actually make this ahead of time and put it in the fridge and let it get kind of cold, but I like that it's sort of warm and luscious and wonderful. I'm gonna drizzle in a little bit of olive oil and some lime zest, and one lime. I'm gonna squeeze in the juice. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I was gonna have to work this hard this morning. Okay, and then lots of cilantro. A little bit of agave syrup. Or you can do honey, or you can leave the sweetness completely out if you prefer. All right, check this out, Paige. You could chill this and totally attack it with a bag of like blue corn tortilla chips.
That would be so good.
I've got a teeny cute little baking dish and a block of cream cheese. So I'm gonna put the cream cheese in the dish. And then I'm going to spoon relish on top. And you guessed it, I'm gonna bake this in the oven, and it turns into a great appetizer for your barbecue.
Genius.
Isn't that clever?
Multi-purpose.
Yes, I love things like this.
It's so pretty too.
Isn't that gorgeous? And I love this little dish. Let's go to the oven. So it's going to bake at 375 degrees for about 12 minutes until the cream cheese is soft and it's ready to eat. All right, let's check out this baked cheese. I'm super excited about this with that pineapple and veggie relish.
Oh.
Look at how soft the cream cheese is. My towel like nicked it so I could see how soft. Ooh, Ree, you made a mess. Wait a minute, I have to fix it. I hate it when I do that with my pot holders. That's better. Okay, to serve it, I'm gonna put it on this platter. And I have some crackers, and I'll just kind of scatter them around the edge. Isn't this a clever use for any kind of relish or chutney or salsa that you have left over after a pork tenderloin incident?
That's really smart.
This gets really hot and mixes with that gooey cream cheese. Oh, that's good.